Hello everybody, welcome. It's our Shumatt live streaming. I'm Caitlin from Shumatt, China. And our company specialized in commercial diesel parts. Today, I would like to share with you some of our company products. It's turned to our valve assembly. And now, please follow me. Let's check this together. Firstly, you can see the outside packages. It is kind of blue VCI and T-Roll spec. Here, this is the product SKU, and the product code is F00RJ02410. This one, China made brand new. And here Caitlin want to mention that for this kind of logo, the label, the packages, etc., any of the demands we can satisfy with our customers because we can supply with customized service. Now, please follow me. We will open it. Take a look. For the inside, we use this kind of the transparent bottles to packages. And silver hard can be better protect the product during the transportation, and you can roll it in this way. That's the oil paper. We use the oil paper to wrap it up. Take a look. For this valve assembly, when only selling the whole side, we also sell the separate parts, such as like this valve cap or the valve rods. And also for the product, we have the quality guaranteed. Like we Shumatt supply with 6 months warranty time. In this period, if you are not satisfied with the quality, we can return or exchange the product for you. And if you look carefully, you will find on the valve cap here with the coating figures in this position, and that's the valve rods. And here, Caitlin has 3 tips I'd like to share with you. The first tip is if you want to clean this kind of valve assembly, you'd better to clean it with the oil. Don't clean it with the water. The second tip is make sure the valve cap in the right position. The third tip is make sure the valve rods can be moved smoothly off the injector body. That's all the details today I want to share with you. Actually, we have the other products, the injector, the pumps, the repackage, the SV valve, the sensors, etc. Any product if you're interested in, please feel free to contact us. And at last, if you can follow us at our YouTube or the Facebook account, I really appreciate it. Thank you so much. And today, that's all the details. Let's see you next time. Thank you for staying with me. See you. Bye-bye.